Okay, I have just pressed the go live and recording button. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Cassandra, aka the Daily Wealth Ninja, and I am here today to share with you a really cool tool that is helping thousands of people be able to make better decisions about their financial future. Now, I am not a licensed professional advisor in the realm of finances. I am not saying that what I'm sharing with you will confirm and guarantee that you will have success. But what I am sharing with you today is knowledge that I've been learning on my own, that I have been leveraging an educational platform to use, as well as thousands of other people. Because let's face it, in these days and times, a job is no longer a guarantee, right? And with the COVID virus going on right now, we are already seeing the types of things that are happening from this, an economic downturn, people are losing their jobs, right? So the only way to not have those types of problems is either twofold. One, you have a business that you can work even when you're not inside a building, or two, you have a way to generate additional income through stocks and forex and things like that. So those are two ways, at least that I'm aware of, to be able to circumvent that type of problem. But most people are unaware of what I'm about to share with you today. So I'm going to share with you a tool that is part of that platform I was telling you about, and it uses some really great stuff to help you make better decisions in your financial future. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Well, I thought I would share my screen. Uh, there we go. Cool. Okay, so what you are seeing here is something called a harmonic scanner. There are a lot of tools at my disposal to be able to utilize to be able to make better decisions in my trading. But here's the thing, is trading risky? Yeah, if you don't know what you're doing and if you are just throwing money around and hoping it'll work. The only way that you'll actually be successful is if you continue to hone your craft by learning, implementing, and having guidance, which is one of the reasons I love the platform that I use because it provides the tools, it provides the training, and it has a community and live training all the time if I have questions or need help. So this particular tool is called the Harmonic Scanner. And if you don't know what harmonics are, when it comes to trading, harmonics are basically all around the golden rule, and you'll see the golden numbers everywhere and everything. I don't have time to go into that, and quite frankly, I'm not an expert at that. I'm still learning, but every time I hear about it and see the proof, I'm shocked. So this basically, when you see harmonics on a chart, whether you draw them yourself or you have a product like this scanner that draws them for you, what's happening here is that it is indicating to you that this is a potential change in direction of the market. So right now, when you're looking at the 15-minute for Euro AUD, which is the Euro Australian dollar forex pair, we're seeing that right now on the 15-minute, it looks like it's turning around. So I'm not going to go into everything about the harmonic scanner. I'm just going to share with you a quick tip that was given to us today on our Sunday training. Now, what does that mean? I think this is an amazing opportunity. So if you're on the fence, we have free trainings every Sunday by the top educators of this system. So if you want more information of that, please send me a message or leave some love down below so that I can get you that information. But today's training, they were talking about how to leverage this. I think it was like 6 different ways to use this harmonic scanner in order to find success and generate additional income through your trading. So right now, I'm only going to cover, I can't remember what they called it. But it was a particular way to use this where you just had the harmonic scanner, this awesome oscillator, which is this bottom thing right here. It's a what's called an indicator. And that's basically it. So the way that you use this for this particular um, strategy, there we go, is you will be looking at, where is arrow? You will be looking at, it's supposed to, there we go, X to D. I'm going to change that color so it's a little bit easier to see on here. We'll make it blue. No, let's make it red. Make it bright. Bright, bright. And then from the same location, but on the awesome oscillator, so the X is about here. This is the nearest high. Boom. D is over here. Here. So there. All right, so what are you seeing right here? So basically, and let me get my little pointer on here, screencast-o-matic. What you're seeing right here is what the teacher who is speaking today calls divergence. So basically what you're seeing is the line from the X to the D in the harmonic pattern that's drawn on this 15-minute chart, and the line that's drawn to the relative location of XD on the awesome oscillator are going in opposite directions. So again, with trading, you don't want to just jump in immediately, whether you have um, someone giving you a signal or you have a tool like this where indicates that you might be wanting to get in, right? It's just one way of confirming that this is probably an accurate place to get in for a buy or a sell. So what you're seeing right here, like I said, this one right here is going in this direction, and this line right here is going in this direction, which means it's divergence. So it is one way of saying, yes, you want to get in. Now, when you look at this, however, as I said, zoom in, it's currently doing in the middle of what's potentially a pullback. So it might not be the right time to get in just now, but there are other ways to check that your trades are correct. Again, this is just one way to pinpoint your trades. And as you grow in your skill set, you'll be able to be more confident that your choices that you are making regarding your trades are going to be accurate. Because as I said before, there is some risk in doing this. Nothing is guaranteed, right? But the more you learn, the more you implement, the more you see patterns in these charts. It's not that hard. It just takes some skill, right? You didn't know how to walk before you walked, right? You didn't know how to do the thing that you're doing at your day job before you started to learn it, right? So it's just a skill. It's something that you improve. It's something that you grow upon. And as you get better, your trades get better, and you eventually do make more money and have less bad trades that don't go in your favor. So again, nothing is guaranteed, but I am so grateful that I found this um, possibility because it's something that's available to people like you and me 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's something that where you can supplement your income. It's a skill set that you can teach your children. It is the only thing that I found that truly embodies the parable, or my favorite parable, where if you teach a person to fish, they eat for a day, but if you feed a person to fish, their family eats for generations. And I know this in my heart because I have met so many people who are leveraging this to do exactly what I've talked about today. Again, it's not guaranteed, but it's something that you can do to be better in your finances. It's something that you can teach your children. I mean, seriously, I am so excited about this. I'm so happy that a friend of mine introduced me to it. So if you want more information, let me know. Leave some love below. Send me a message. I'd love to share with you how you can grow in this as well. And it's not just with forex. It's something with crypto. It's with stocks. It's things that you can apply to those types of things as well. So again, if you want information, let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful and prosperous rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.